Hey everybody, it's Amy Gretchen. Welcome back to another December daily video. So this is my album from 2021, and this is not associated with any particular day. So this is just a bonus, if you will. It was inspired because I love stickers and I really wanted to add some of the stickers that I have in my stash. So I have a ton of stickers in my December daily stash. It's a lot of Puffy stickers. And I actually have a sticker book, like a flat sticker book, and I don't ever put Puffy stickers in there. So I wanted a way to be able to include some Puffy stickers into this album. And I was thinking that I would make it one of the days that I would add it, like day 10 or whatever. But I always had stories that I wanted to tell. And of course, I could have told the story about how I got into stickers in 2021. I could have done that. I actually did, I think, in maybe day 17, I may have told that story. And I was thinking about including a sticker page like this that was on clear acetate over the photo that I had for day 17 because the journaling went along with it, now that I remember. But I thought it felt too busy because the photos felt a little busy. So I decided to do a bonus day. So sometimes it's fun in the middle of your album to have a day or to have a spread that is just for the eyes. It doesn't have anything to do with a story. There's no photos, but it's really just kind of a filler page. And I thought this would be so fun for the holidays because of the stickers are just so fun and whimsy, and then they're puffy, and I thought it would be really fun to add. So right in my album, this is at the very end. So this is after day 23. If you remember from day 23, I had that craft pocket, and on the back side, it was just really, really plain. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to add a quote and in fact, I think I was trying to include this quote somewhere in my album because I really liked it. So I thought I will just add this quote, and then I'll do a sticker page. And then of course I will, do something on the other side for day 24. And you'll see that in the video coming up next Friday. So that will be next Friday. But here's all of my stickers. So these are stickers from a variety of places. I think some are from Simple Stories, maybe definitely from Crate Paper American Crafts. Some from, you can see right there, that's not a sticker. That's actually from a chipboard pack. So I think that might be the only chipboard, but I thought it went really well. I can't now remember. And then the one off to the right, I think it's from Pinkfresh Studio, if I remember correctly. I think I had put already linked to that in another video. But of course, if I can find any of these stickers, I will have these linked below. But a lot of them I've just had on stash, and I've only used like a sticker or two. But I wanted to be able to use a whole bunch because they're so fun and they're so whimsy and they just feel so Christmas holiday spirit to me. So I decided to do a full sticker page or a full sticker bomb page, or however you want to look at it. So I'm just, showing you my process. I do have a couple videos on my channel of me working in my sticker album if you wanted to see that, working with more two-dimensional stickers. I find it really relaxing and a lot of fun to look through these images, slash stickers, and put them together in a very pleasing way. So I don't know if you know this about me, but I'm actually a huge fan of puzzles, and this feels very much like a puzzle to me, is finding the right sticker that will fit in, that very specific spot. So that's one of the reasons why, other than I think stickers are just fun and, like I said, very whimsy and charming, I really love that it's almost like putting together a puzzle. So for me, it's very relaxing, and it's very calming. It's one of the reasons why I do it, and one of the reasons why I love a lot of the crafts. I feel like a lot of the crafting things that I do because they feel very calming. So anyway, I loved putting this page together, and you'll probably see this again. It's so funny, as I've been going through this album, I'm honestly thinking to myself, oh, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do that again because it was fun. Because I don't know. Sometimes you don't need to come up with the same idea. It's okay to come up with the same idea. You don't have to do something new every single time. But anyway, I just thought this was a lot of fun, and it was nice to have this breather in this spot in the album before I finish it up. So anyway, you guys, I don't know that I put anything on there. I may or may not. I don't think I do, but that's going to be it for this simple, small video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And as always, if you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up. And you guys, we will see you next Friday. Bye.